is from Engramium AI, where we break down AI, automation, and cutting edge tech into simple, actionable steps. Okay, now that you know who we are, let's focus on today's topic. In this video, I will show you how to get your OpenAI API key so you can use ChatGPT inside your automation and apps. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Step number 1, head over to platform.openai.com. We can go to the platform by clicking the API dashboard from here as well. Important note is that this is separate from your regular ChatGPT account. Even if you already use ChatGPT, you will still need to create a developer account on the OpenAI platform. You can sign up using your email, Google, Apple, Microsoft, and you can continue with the phone as well. Now for this video demonstration, we are going to select email. Let's input the email engramium@gmail.com and we will hit continue. After that, we need to set the password. It needs to be at least 12 characters long. So let's configure the password. We have set our password. Now we will click continue. Next, verify your email address by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Step number 2 is complete account setup. Once your email is verified, you will return to the platform to finish setting up your account. You will need to enter your name and the birthday. After that, we'll hit finish creating account. Now you will be asked to create an organization name. This can be your company name or anything you like. There is nothing binding about it. So just choose a name and click create organization. We'll set the name Engramium. What best describe you? Let's configure engineer and hit create organization. You will then see option to invite team members. For now, we are going to choose I will invite my team later. This is one key difference between the developer platform and ChatGPT. With ChatGPT, everyone typically has their own account, but with the OpenAI developer platform, you can share one organization with multiple team members. For now, you can skip this step and invite team members later. So that we have skipped the step, next step is generate your API key. Now you are ready to generate your API key. You can give the key a name. Let's give the name my test key for tutorials. Assign it to a project which is optional, project demo. Then click generate API key. Your API key will appear. Copy it immediately and save it somewhere secure. Important, OpenAI only shows the API key once. If you lose it, you will need to generate a new one. So for now, you have copied the API key and we will hit continue. Step number 4, add credits, which is very important. Your API key will not work until you add credits to your account. You can click this button to purchase credit. I recommend adding $5. That's usually more than enough for testing and a small project. These models are becoming more affordable, so $5 can last quite a while. We can do this later as well. So for now, we are going to click I will buy credits later. Now you are inside the OpenAI dashboard. In here, you will get so many options: chat, agent builder, audio, images, videos, assistant, and so on. And in order to add the credits, you can go to this billing, add payment method. Once done, you are ready to start using the API. For now, let's focus on the API keys. If you already have a developer account and want to find your API keys, go to the dashboard, which is this one, and in the left-hand menu, click API keys. Here you can view your existing API keys, edit them by clicking this icon, and you can delete them and create a new one. For example, in order to create a new API key, click create new secret key. From here, you can create your API keys. One important thing is that also you will have the option to check the uses. Uses is very important because it allows you to check all the details about your API key. And that's it. You are now ready to use OpenAI inside your apps and automation. If this video helped you, be sure to give it a like. And if you want to see more AI and automation tutorials, subscribe to the channel and check out the other videos on the channel. Until next time, happy automating.